Ernst& Young recently did a study in 2025 to show people how to have way more money during their retirement phase. And what they did was they ran Monte Carlo simulations, which essentially is doing over 1,000 plus what if scenarios, right? When it comes to the simulations to figure out what is the best possible outcome in a given situation. So they took a look at 35-year-old couple with combined income of $192,000, and they're saving 20% of their income. So that's roughly $38,400. And the one question they had in mind was how much can they withdraw with 90% probability of success? Meaning, this is almost guaranteed to happen based on 1,000 plus scenarios. Okay. The first option was the investment only option, meaning if they only invested from 35 to their retirement phase, they can take out roughly $128,000 per year in combined income. And then from a legacy standpoint, that means when they get to like age 95, what they could potentially leave for the heirs is roughly 8.26 million. The second outcome is leveraging index universal life plus investment. In this scenario, their income is still roughly $128,000. All right. Now, from a legacy standpoint, they're going from 8.26 to 8.93 million. So same income, but higher legacy, meaning they're leaving way more money behind than strictly doing investment only. Well, the third option is using fixed index annuity plus investment. Okay. Now you notice that the income is way higher, 140 to $157,000 a year, and legacy is 8.3. So the legacy is pretty much the same thing, but the income is higher, anywhere from 9 to 23% higher than just investment only option. Now, the last option or the last outcome is leveraging three financial solutions: index universal life, fixed index annuity, and investments. With this option, you notice that the income per year is 136 to $146,000. The legacy is 9.16 million. So that means they have roughly 6 to 14% in higher income and about 11% more in legacy. So the conclusion of the study basically stated that the best outcome for someone who's looking to optimize their retirement is to combine index universal life, fixed index annuity, and investment to have a very robust retirement plan. And one thing to keep in mind, at least according to the study, is that they assume that you started the index universal life earlier on, and then midway, somewhere around 55, you've already built up enough, funds in your investment account where you're now taking some of that and you're putting it into the fixed index annuity until retirement, so that way you can combine all three to have a properly structured retirement plan.